Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Engineers Class 202. This is Sonam. Let's continue our first chapter Rotational Dynamics. In previous lecture we have studied what is circular motion, terms included in circular motion, that is angular displacement, angular velocity, angular acceleration along with their direction. Let's continue. Next point is types of circular motion. Here we know that circular motion of a particle along circumference of a circle. Now types of circular motion. There are two types of circular motion. First one is uniform circular motion, which is also known as UCM in short form. First one type of circular motion is uniform circular motion, and second type of circular motion is non-uniform circular motion. Circular motion is basically divided into two types. First one is uniform circular motion and second one is non-uniform circular motion. Okay, first one. First one is uniform circular motion, that is UCM. Here uniform means constant. Uniform means constant. What is uniform circular motion? Uniform circular motion is defined as motion of a particle along circumference of circle. We know that if the motion of particle along circumference of circle is there, then it is called as circular motion. That means uniform circular motion is defined as circular motion of a particle with constant speed. Uniform means constant. Here constant speed is constant. We know that velocity is a vector quantity, that means it has direction and magnitude. Now if we only consider the magnitude of velocity, then it is called as speed. Means in uniform circular motion, speed, that is magnitude of velocity, remains constant. So uniform circular motion is a circular motion in which speed of a particle is constant or magnitude of velocity is kept constant. In UCM, speed is constant, that is magnitude of velocity is constant, but direction of velocity is not constant. Direction of velocity goes on changing at each and every instant in such a way that it is always tangential. Velocity is always tangential. Tangential means what? Imagine there is a particle which is performing a circular motion, which is uniform circular motion, means speed is constant here. Now the velocity is changes in its direction only, not in speed. Suppose at an instant a particle is at position A, that means the direction is tangential to the path at that place. At instant, suppose particle is at position B, then its velocity is like this, that means tangential to that path. This is V. Again, if the particle is at position C, then velocity is like this. Means the velocity goes on changing at each and every instant, but it is always tangential to that path. Thus, in UCM, velocity is always tangential. But the acceleration which is responsible for this tangent velocity is called as radial acceleration. Radial acceleration, or it is also known as centripetal acceleration. Centripetal acceleration. Here, velocity is always tangential, but this tangential velocity is due to radial acceleration, or it is also called as centripetal acceleration. It is denoted by AR. In uniform circular motion, the velocity or magnitude of velocity is constant, which is tangential to that path, and it is due to, or the acceleration responsible for this velocity is radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration, which is denoted by AR. Here for UCM, that is uniform circular motion, this acceleration is always constant. that is radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration, which is responsible for tangential velocity, this acceleration is always constant, whose magnitude is given by AR, that is radial acceleration is equal to omega square into R. Omega square angular velocity into radius. Square of angular velocity into radius. This is the magnitude of radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration. If we take the acceleration in vector form, we may write it as minus omega square into r. Minus omega square into r. Here there is a minus sign. Here r means radius. We know that radius vector is directed from center to the circumference, means like this. But the acceleration is called as centripetal or radial. Radial means it is along radius, but it is centripetal. Centripetal means it is directed towards center. Here r, acceleration AR is towards center, therefore it is called as centripetal acceleration, but it is along radius, therefore it is also called as radial acceleration. Here the negative sign indicates that radius is away from center and acceleration is towards center, means both are in opposite direction. Now here we know that this acceleration, radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration, is in the form of angular velocity. We know the relation between linear velocity and angular velocity as v is equal to r omega. Now if we find out the value of omega, omega is equal to v upon r. If we put the value of omega here, we get acceleration is equal to v square divided by r square into r. Here square and r gets cancelled, therefore we get the value ar is equal to v square divided by r. This is the formula of acceleration in terms of linear velocity. In terms of angular velocity, it is equal to omega square into r. In terms of linear velocity, it is equal to v square divided by r. Now if you find the value of r, we will get r is equal to v divided by omega. If we find the value of r is equal to v divided by omega. If we take this value of r and put in this equation, we will get ar is equal to omega square. Instead of r, we may write v divided by omega into v divided by omega. Here omega square and omega gets cancelled, therefore we get ar, that is acceleration, is equal to v into omega, that is radial acceleration is equal to angular velocity into linear velocity. We get the three formulas for acceleration. First one is omega square into r, that means in terms of angular velocity. Second one is ar is equal to v square divided by r, that is in terms of linear velocity. And last one, acceleration is equal to v into omega, that is in terms of linear velocity and angular velocity. Next term is non-uniform circular motion. In uniform circular motion, we know that speed is constant. Here non-uniform means in non-uniform motion, speed is not constant. Okay, let's define non-uniform circular motion. Non-uniform circular motion is defined as motion of a particle along circumference of circle, or we may say that circular motion. Circular motion where speed is not constant, then such motion is called as non-uniform circular motion. If the speed is constant, then it is called as uniform circular motion. If the speed is not constant, then it is called as non-uniform circular motion. Here speed is not constant. Velocity is a vector term, that means it includes direction as well as magnitude. Velocity includes direction as well as magnitude. In uniform circular motion, magnitude, that is speed, is constant. Here speed is not constant, that is magnitude is not constant. In circular motion we know that direction is not constant. Means in uniform circular motion, direction as well as magnitude both are goes on changing at each and every instant. In uniform circular motion, only direction changes but magnitude is constant. Here speed is not constant. Speed means magnitude of velocity. Here magnitude also changes and direction also changes. In uniform circular motion, only magnitude is constant and direction changes. Here direction and magnitude both goes on changing. In uniform circular motion, we know that velocity is always tangential to the path. Here also velocity is tangential to the path. Velocity is tangential to the path due to acceleration, which is called as radial acceleration. Here velocity is also tangential, that means acceleration, radial acceleration is present there, but the magnitude and direction goes on changing. The magnitude goes on changing due to acceleration, which is called as tangential acceleration. Tangential acceleration, which is denoted by AT. The acceleration which is responsible for the tangential velocity is called as radial acceleration. Here in non-uniform circular motion, velocity is always tangential, means acceleration, radial acceleration is there, but the magnitude of velocities goes on changing. This magnitude changes due to acceleration, which is called as tangential acceleration and which is denoted by AT. Means in non-uniform circular motion, magnitude of velocity changes due to the acceleration, which is called as tangential acceleration. This radial acceleration in uniform circular motion is a constant term, but here in non-uniform motion it is not constant. Means if we take the difference between uniform circular motion and non-uniform circular motion, first thing is acceleration or radial acceleration, which is responsible for tangential velocity, is not constant in non-uniform circular motion. In UCM it is constant. Second one, in UCM there is only one kind of acceleration, that is radial acceleration. Here we have two types of acceleration in non-uniform circular motion. First one is radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration, and second one is tangential acceleration. Means in UCM you have two acceleration, radial acceleration or centripetal acceleration as well as tangential acceleration. The word tangential means tangent to the path. Here velocity is tangential. This acceleration is also tangential, which is responsible for change in magnitude of velocity. That means if we take the direction of this acceleration, it is directed along with velocity or in opposite to that of the tangential velocity. Tangential acceleration is always directed in the direction of velocity or it is opposite to that of the velocity. This is everything for today. If you like this video, hit the like button, share it to everyone, subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon. For more videos, stay connected with us. See you in next video. Till then, bye bye.